Street family, I'm currently at Ford Elementary where they are celebrating Dia de los Libros, so let's go see what they have going on.
Hi, my name is Narda Lugo. I'm the librarian here at Henry Ford Elementary. We are celebrating today Dia de los Libros, which is a STEAM-oriented type of deal with TSTEM students. They are here and they're teaching our students hands-on activities with coding. We have robots, we have Legos, a lot of hands-on activities. It is so awesome.
We're teaching the kids how to use what we call Ozobots. These bots have little sensors at the bottom that follow this pathway. As you can see, there's different colored codes that make them to do different colored things. Like I believe the blue, the black and blue, it makes them go faster and speed up. These different colored ones, red, green, red, make it spin around. All the robot does is just follow the pathway it's told to go because of the sensors that it has in it. And we have the kids up here. They make their own little paths. That way they can try their own way to figure out how to do it.
¿Es cierto? Mira. Mira, dime. Okay. Yeah, long time. This one has something that you. So what did we put in here, miss? Once it works.
Yeah. It's just you need something to put it down in there.
Alexis, on the next one, you take it first, let it go down or what?
I did it.
Now we're gonna try and get these parts, okay?
There you go.
Good job! You want another part?
Can you guys tell me what you're working on?
I made a wagon.
You're making what?
Web feet for birds.
Oh wow! That's cool! What are you guys working on?
I made a wagon.
A wagon, that's nice.
And a flower tree.
That's nice. It looks like a dandelion.
Hi, my name is De La Garza. I'm a 5th grade teacher here at Ford Elementary, and my students, or the 5th graders, are having an awesome time building rockets and wagons and web feet with Legos, and so they're having an awesome time.
Okay, so what did you create?
A massager.
How does it work?
I just move it back and forth so I can massage your back.
How does it feel?
It feels so comfortable.
It feels comfortable?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Hi, we're from TSTEM and we're having an awesome time volunteering at Ford Elementary.
You start a maze over here,
Oh my god.
and then you have to learn how to drive this.
Oh.
Oh yeah!
Okay, 4th grade unit, this is you.
Guys, this thing is so awesome.
I know it is.
Do you know how to control that thing, right? Hey, don't press control on me.
Can you tell me what you're doing?
Yes, I'm driving forward, I'm driving back. This one right here is to pick up the speed. This one right here is to
Like, okay, I have my contacts on, I lost my glasses, glass. So, let's see if I can make it with the contact. Let's go. Okay. Okay, let me touch my, okay, yay!
No, Ruby, no.
Even she's like, oh.
Yeah, I mean like anyone who's around you is like.
sounds like Mario.
But you have to hold this one. So you put your hand on that one, and then you tap the red. And then you can also transfer it. So like if he's holding it, like you touch his hand, grab this one, like grab each other, like put your hand like that, and then you tap on any of them. And it works. Try not to squeeze the banana. It's like kind of like lightly.
Sounds like it's saying you did that. robotic stuff, like connecting things, pushing and turning little buttons to make it the noise, and also to use the keys. And also over there, but they already cleaned it up. They have little building blocks, and so you can connect them. And so yeah. Don't. Oh, what are you making? We're done.
It's like a video game. They make the layout in the little layout thing. Like they make their own landscape.
What is this
and then you take a picture of it with the iPad, and it makes it like into a game. And they have like the little character, and they can jump. The fire, like the red is fire, the blue is water. This would be land. These you can like break with a little laser that the character has, and you can make and change the layout as much as you want. The picture of it, and now they're playing. Are you guys building? I'm next.
It's been so fun to see our work come to life.
It was a lot of fun. Today we're just wrapping up our Dia de los Libros, which the students were able to participate on the STEAM activities here in the Ford Elementary. We are so excited and we're hoping to do this again next year.